Welcome back to Product Critique, where we break down the best products that make your everyday life better. Today, we're looking at what we believe is the best coffee maker sliding tray currently available, the Ibyx Elegant Sliding Tray. If you're tired of lifting and shifting your coffee maker or heavy kitchen appliances every morning just to brew a cup, this video is for you. Let's start with why this sliding tray stands out. The Ibyx tray is designed for smooth, full countertop motion. That means you can effortlessly slide your appliance out from under a cabinet and push it back into place when you're done. Whether you're working with a tight space or just want to keep your kitchen looking sleek and organized, this tray is all about convenience. No lifting, no scratching, no hassle, just a gentle push or pull. This particular model is the 7.5-inch wide by 14.5-inch deep tray, perfect for compact appliances like the K-Mini, slush makers, or juicers. But the beauty of Ibyx is that they offer a full range of sizes to accommodate different needs. From a small 13x 10.5-inch tray for a 3-quart instant pot or toaster, to a 21 by 15-inch tray for your larger kitchen machines, they've covered all the bases. What makes the Ibyx tray even more impressive is its construction. It uses environmentally friendly bamboo paired with quiet rubber wheels. This isn't just a pretty piece for your countertop. It's practical, durable, and built to last. The bamboo surface brings a warm, elegant touch to your kitchen, while the wheels ensure it glides smoothly without making a sound. So if you're preparing meals in the early morning or late night, you won't wake up the whole house. Now let's talk about compatibility. Beyond the obvious coffee machines, this tray is designed to work with a wide range of appliances. Use it with air fryers, mixers, grinders, and toasters. The 40-pound weight capacity means it can handle even your heavier equipment with no stress on the mechanics or the tray itself. But it's not just about function, it's about giving you more control over your space. How many times have you avoided using an appliance because it was tucked away and a pain to reach? The Ibyx tray eliminates that problem. It's an invitation to use your kitchen tools more often and more easily. Reclaim your space, streamline your workflow, and say goodbye to cluttered, awkward corners. Plus, here's a detail that often gets overlooked. This product was designed in Vancouver, Canada. That means it's been developed with top-tier standards in mind, crafted for real kitchen conditions. And that attention to detail shows in how it performs day after day. To wrap things up, if you're looking for a smart way to upgrade your kitchen setup without a complete remodel, the Ibyx Elegant Sliding Tray is a no-brainer. It's sturdy, elegant, easy to use, and it just works. Whether it's your morning coffee or your weekend meal prep, this tray gives you access, movement, and style in one compact package. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on more honest, in-depth reviews of everyday products that make a difference. See you next time.